In this video, I'll show you step by step how to deactivate your Robinhood account. Also, if you do not have a Robinhood account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. To start, open the website robinhood.com. Then click on the login button at the upper right corner of the screen. Next, in the fields provided, enter your Robinhood email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see an account option at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account. A drop-down list will then appear. Scroll down to the bottom. Then click on Settings. You will then be redirected to this page. On the left side of the screen, you will see several options. Scroll down a little, then you will see a red text that says Deactivate an account. Click on Deactivate an account. Next, select the account you wish to deactivate. In this video, we are choosing to deactivate our spending account. Click on the option you wish to choose. Before you can deactivate your account, make sure all your pending deposits or unsettled funds must also be completed and your cash balance is zero. Once these actions are completed, click on the Deactivate Account button. Lastly, you will be reminded that once you have deactivated your account, your debit card and associated routing and account numbers will be cancelled. To proceed, click on Deactivate Account. That's how you deactivate your Robinhood account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.